Hey there, crafters and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to Skilled Hub, where we bring you the latest and greatest tools and tips for all your creative projects. Today, we're diving into the world of hot glue guns, those trusty companions for all your gluing needs. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just getting started, stick around because we've got a lot of hot glue goodness coming your way. First off, let's talk about what a hot glue gun is. A hot glue gun is a handheld tool used to dispense hot melt adhesive, which is commonly known as hot glue, onto various surfaces. It's a go-to tool for crafting, DIY projects, and even some industrial applications. But how does it work? Well, it all starts with a heating element inside the gun that heats up to a specific temperature, usually between 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 150 to 200 degrees Celsius. This element is powered by electricity and can be controlled using a trigger or switch. To use a hot glue gun, you insert a solid cylindrical stick of hot melt adhesive into the rear of the gun. This glue stick is then pushed through the gun's chamber toward the heating element. As the glue stick moves toward the heating element, it gradually melts into a liquid form. And when you squeeze the trigger or press a button, the melted glue is forced out through a nozzle at the front of the gun. The hot glue is applied to the surface you want to bond or attach. It's typically very hot and liquid when dispensed, but it quickly cools and solidifies within a few seconds as it comes into contact with the air. This rapid cooling process creates a strong bond between the glued items. So, hot glue guns are favored for their quick drying time, strong adhesive properties, and versatility. They can bond various materials like paper, cardboard, fabric, wood, plastic, and even some metals. That's why you'll find them in arts and crafts, home improvement projects, and for temporarily or semi-permanently joining items together. Plus, there are different sizes and types of glue guns available for various applications. Now that we understand how hot glue guns work, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of choosing the right one for your needs. The best hot glue gun for you depends on several factors. One important consideration is the type of crafts or projects you'll be working on. There are three common types of hot glue guns: high temperature, low temperature, and dual temperature. Low temperature glue guns heat glue to around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, making them safer to use, especially for children-friendly crafts. They work well with low temperature glue sticks. High temperature glue guns can handle various types of glue sticks at temperatures around 380 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for more robust materials. And then there are dual temperature glue guns, which offer flexibility by allowing you to switch between low and high temperatures as needed. Another important factor is the power of the glue gun. Higher wattage means quicker heating and better performance, particularly for larger projects. Glue guns come in two sizes: full size and mini size, corresponding to the type of glue stick they accept. Finally, you can choose between corded and cordless glue guns, with cordless versions providing the freedom to glue in places without an outlet. Before we wrap up, let's quickly touch on some additional features that can enhance your hot glue gun experience. Many glue guns come with an on-off switch for added safety. Some have convenient stands or holders, while others have heat-resistant sleeves to prevent accidents. Well, there you have it, folks. Choosing the right hot glue gun is essential for your crafting and DIY projects. So, whether you're making paper chains, building a birdhouse, or tackling a big home improvement task, remember to consider these factors to find the perfect hot glue gun for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. If you have any questions or want to share your hot glue gun experiences, leave a comment below. Before you go, check out our list of the best glue guns on the market in the video description below.